take a look at the software one more time here. And what we're going to do is look at what we just saw a little bit more closely. And what we can see here is that was that zone there. So whenever Tess is inside that zone.
Do you need me back up?
Well, no, it's okay. We call this preset. I could change this preset, right? When she goes into that zone, I could say, I want it to be very close to the whiteboard.
Yeah.
Right? We kind of had it where we liked it. So we can see basically top and bottom. But one of the things we know about, we've been working with education and presenters for a long time. They really want to make sure that at the top of the whiteboard, the top of the blackboard, and the bottom are always in view. Mm-hmm. And that was the big thing when the first SimplTrack came out. And we were able to accommodate that, and I want to show how in a moment here. We also have some really powerful tools for position correct and face height. So if we go into face height here, we can make sure that where we want that face to be, and basically during auto tracking, keep it where we want. So we'll keep that there. We also have the 4 preset zones, as we mentioned. So if I wanted to create another preset zone, I could make something over here, for example. Now, a little tip that we notice is if the preset zone is really, really small, it's tough. So just like having a really tiny little square here and waving a hand might not be enough.
Right.
We were playing with that today. You need to be basically about the size of a face. That's what it's really looking for. So something a little larger works better, we've noticed. You've got 8 blocking zones. There are sometimes challenging areas. Maybe there's students' heads that are at the bottom of the screen, for example. You can
doorway,
block out.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Wait, we can do up to eight preset zones. I just noticed that. I apologize. So up to 8 different zones that you can automate your production. So if you are doing a production or a live stream and you want to have a lower third come in when you do something and switch cameras and do all this, this might not be the only camera you have. This can be your intelligent camera director doing up to 8 different productions. And that's for both something coming in, so an action when you enter that preset zone, and something when you exit.
Or just one or the other if you'd like as well.
Yeah.
I like that you mentioned recording as well, because how many times has someone running a studio or production environment forgotten to hit record and they freak out, hours later? So we've even been in that scenario before. So, having a preset zone to initiate recording right away, if you get onto a stage, open into a lecture area, instantly you'll never miss that recording.
That is a great feature.
Yeah.